everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my in-depth everything shower routine, everything hair care, body care, after shower rituals and skincare related. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. The first thing I do when I get home is go straight to the bathroom to take off my makeup. I genuinely don't think there is any better feeling than taking your makeup off at the end of the day. I make sure to use a cleansing balm to remove my makeup, followed with a foaming cleanser to ensure that I'm double cleansing and making sure any makeup residue is well and truly gone. I've been using the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm and Clinique foaming cleanser for the past few years, and my skin absolutely adores these products and how clean they make my face feel. Double cleansing has so many benefits for your skin. It helps to prevent clogged pores, breakouts, and allows skincare products to absorb more effectively. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm all for that. And also I've noticed such a huge difference in my skin since I've started double cleansing. Next, let's move to hair prep. I like to pop in a hair mask if I'm having a bath, but as I'm having a shower tonight, I'm going straight in with my shampoo and conditioner. I've been on such a long hair journey the past 2 years because I used to have really short hair. I've been trying to grow my hair, I've been trying to embrace my natural waves, and I found it really hard to find a shampoo that is colour safe, hydrating, and also brings out my natural waves. And I've actually found that these two products from Oral-B do just that. I love how much hydration these products give me. They truly bring out my waves better than any products I've tried originally. These two are my favourite shampoo and conditioner at the moment. The next step is, of course, shaving. I start by exfoliating with a body scrub. I love using this Tree Hut one in the scent vanilla, and let me tell you guys, it is unreal. After I exfoliate, I either use a soap bar or a crumble bar to moisturize and prep my skin prior to shaving. I've noticed since doing this as well, after exfoliating, it makes my skin so hydrated and really gives me such a smooth shave. Just as important as the prep is, of course, the razor that you are using. My personal preference is I like to use a 5-blade razor as it ensures that I get a closest shave possible. After I do this routine, I don't have to shave 3 to 4 days. Lastly, body care. I have a lot of shower favorites at the moment as autumn is approaching and I'm getting ready for cozy season, but my personal favorites at the moment has got to be Sticky Dates and Lush's brand new pumpkin spice shower gel. I love sweet scents so much, and also using a loofah really changes the game when washing your body. Also, I really want to make a quick note that it's super important to change out and replace your loofahs as frequently as possible, but I make sure to change these out after 1 or 2 washes. Now that the everything shower is all done and I'm all out of the shower, I go straight to moisturizing. Moisturizing is so important after shaving as it soothes and calms the skin, preventing dryness, razor bumps, and ingrown hairs by strengthening the skin's protective barrier. I've been using the Lush Sticky Dates body lotion, and this stuff is so hydrating. You can use a little amount and it would go such a long way, or you can really lather it on your skin for that extra bit of hydration. Once I'm out the shower is of course put on some deodorant. I make sure to comb through my hair and go in with a hair oil. I am using this Kerastase hair elixir hair oil. This stuff makes my hair smell absolutely phenomenal and it makes my hair so soft. The last and final step of my routine is skincare. This evening I'm going in with the Laneige Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask. I've been using this kind of as a moisturizer. It's doing its job. If not this one, then I love to use the Moisture Surge from Clinique as well. And of course, as we're doing in everything shower in that routine, I'm going to be doing a face mask tonight. It feels only right. I'm using this one from Medicube. I love this one. It's so nice. I've gone through so many of their face masks. Now it is time for some self-care, reading in particular. I recently picked up this new book from the bookshop. I really wanted to dedicate some time this evening to reading, and that is exactly what I plan on doing. just finished having an everything shower. I just done some skincare and my face mask, and I was gonna finish the video there, but I was like, what is a cute way for me to end this video? I was reading my book and it kind of got me thinking, what if I made some cinnamon rolls? Because I went to the supermarket and I actually found them. They're back on the shelves. I thought we could make some together. These are the Just Roll ones. These are so good. I make them every year. They're my favorite thing ever. I'm having a reset day today, self-care wise. Let's make some cinnamon rolls. This is gonna be so cute and a very autumnal way to end this video. And these are actually really good. These taste so good. Let's make some cinnamon rolls. So pleased with how these cinnamon rolls came out. They came out so good. I may or may not have had like 3 of them. That's how good they were. I really hope you have all enjoyed watching, and if you guys want to see more self-care videos like this, let me know down below. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.